Alright, so I bought some wheel covers for the Tesla Model 3 and I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how to replace the wheel covers. So I bought the Uberturbine wheel covers from Amazon, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this one, how to install the new wheel covers, and just how to prepare everything. Alright, so first things first, you have to remove the actual wheel cover. So it's very simple. All you have to do is pull it out in different spots, and you have the actual wheel cover off. So this is the actual wheel of the Tesla Model 3. You have the brakes that you can see through. You have the middle part here. Everything is basically see-through, and this is just a cover, so it's not necessarily a whole wheel. So now what we have to do is put in the actual new wheel that we bought on the Tesla Model 3. So let's get to that. Alright, so what we have to do here is put these parts all around the actual wheel, because this is supposed to actually prevent road noise from coming in the car. So we should stick these around the wheel on every wheel that we have. So we do have 4 wheels. So basically we would put it all around, and then from there we're gonna try and stick this piece all around in different sections. So let's stick it in and see how it actually does. All right, so as you can see, the foam piece is put all around. It's all put in. So all we have to do now is stick the wheel covers in the actual wheel. All right, so all you have to do now is just line up the little hole here. And that's it. So you just have to push it in, and then it's going to cover. As you can see, this one actually covers the top of the wheel, so that's actually pretty good. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. There is one more piece that we have to finish, so one more piece and then we're done with this. All right, so the wheel covers do come with these actual covers here. So these covers look like it's supposed to cover the middle part. So as you can see here, the middle part does have like a little weird design, but if you want to cover it, you can put these on and cover the middle part. There are ones that you can buy on Amazon with the Tesla logo, but I think this is just better. I don't want to have too much Tesla logos everywhere, so I'll replace this in the middle to actually complete the assembly. All right, so there you go. That's how you complete and change the Tesla wheel covers. So very simple process. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the wheel covers. I do need to clean the wheel, but as you can see, the wheel cover looks a lot better than the default wheel covers. Very nice. As you can see, it is a night and day difference, but the new wheel cover looks very nice. So easy process, very easy to do. If you're planning on getting the wheel covers, it's a very simple process. It's not hard at all. It does cover the actual wheel, so it's very good. You can replace this centerpiece with a Tesla piece that has the Tesla look. But like I said, I like the black and minimalism without the Tesla logo. But it fits very nicely, very sturdy, very good. I give it an A+. So yeah, let me know what you think of the Tesla wheel covers, the Uberturbine Tesla wheel covers. I will be putting a link in the description if you guys want to buy these. So yeah, go on Amazon. That's where I got them from. They do go on sale randomly. That's when I bought these. But yeah, I'll put a link, so if you guys want them, you can buy them, and let me know what you think of these. Does it look better than the default wheels, or do you think that the default wheels look better than the current new Uberturbine wheels? All right, so now that all wheels are on, to have a efficiency test video ready for you guys. So that's going to be my next video. I'm going to compare how the efficiency is with these wheels compared to the OEM wheels. So I'll post that next time. this is just the installation video and just how it looks with the new wheel cover. I just wanted to show you guys the new wheel covers with the tires a little bit cleaner, and also wanted to show you guys with the wheel cover put on all tires. So as you can see, it looks very nice, matches the actual wrap of the car. A very nice look. I definitely think these are better than the OEM ones, especially with the wrap of the Tesla Model 3 that I have right now. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description. You guys can go and see how much it costs, see if you want it, but it looks very nice. Leave me a comment down below if you think that I should probably change the calipers over here, because I think that the calipers do need a change since we can see them through. But yeah, let me know what you think. I love these wheels and I'm glad I got them. So I'll leave a comment down below and see you guys on the next video. Peace.